guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be like a plan with me, but like college edition, like how I plan out my college classes, how I write them in my handy dandy planner, and all that jazz. So yeah, I'll try to keep this as simple as possible. It's pretty simple to begin with, so if I screw up, I'm stupid. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll put in clips of me like artistically actually writing in my planner because I'm just very artistic and good at stuff. So yeah. So this is my planner to begin with. It is the Kate Spade large 17-month agenda. I got this from Nordstrom. I usually get it from the Kate Spade website, but they didn't have any on their website this year, and I was like, what are you doing? So yeah, it's like 30 bucks, which is kind of a lot for a planner, I will admit, but this is the third Kate Spade planner that I have owned, and I still love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I just like how it's so simple. Like the bandeau planners are also very popular, and they're super cute as well, but I just love the simplicity of the Kate Spade one. It's just nice and simple and stuff, and it comes with little stickers now. Before they didn't come with these stickers, and now they do come with stickers. But yeah, fun stuff. Anyways, that's my planner. But also, I forgot, subscribe to me. Thank you. So when I plan in my planner, I have everything color coded, and you will see that in the other clips. But I color code all of my classes. It just makes it easier for when I just open my planner, I look right at like the weekly view. That's like what this is. So like a weekly view. And I could just see what's coming up because the colors just catch my eye. That's just what I do. It helps me out a lot. So I write it all in like just regular old black ink, and then I highlight the title of like the class name. So I have like my Com 408 class, it's highlighted in yellow, and I did yellow because it's like one of my most important classes, and you know, yellow just screams like I'm important. I don't know. And then I just have like what's due, and I just write that all out for all of my classes, and eventually once the semester gets started a little bit more, I write in here a lot more, and I'll put like little to-do lists in each day, and I'll be like, to do on Monday, do this homework, and that homework, and then Tuesday maybe I'll have something else to do. It just helps me to not procrastinate a lot, so that always helps. That's kind of how I plan my weeks for like my schooling and my homework, quizzes, tests. I'll also like write in those to-dos like start studying for Com 408. And yeah, it just helps me not procrastinate as much. You know, it gives me that little motivation and reminder that I need to start doing something, you know? Yeah, and then also I write in with a pink pen all of like my sorority events, so that's kind of like color coordinated in its own, and so that helps just me like kind of read and understand. Like here's a pretty busy page. All that color coordinating, it just helps me out a lot. And then what I also do, because I'm a very visual person, I'm a very visual learner, is, you want to hand me that calendar? I have this calendar that sits right above my desk, and I got this from Target. This is like the second time I've bought this type of calendar from Target because I just love it. And it's cute and simple looking, and it's just much my aesthetic. Anyways, so since I'm very visual, sometimes like the weekly view like that I have like in my planner isn't enough. And they do have calendar views in here. It's just like the boxes aren't big enough because I have a lot of crap going on, you know. I need a lot of writing space. And I like this above my desk anyways. I write in when I have to work, when I have like other events or other things going on. It's just my nice big everything calendar. But I also write in my assignments on this calendar, and you guys will kind of see it all written in. But this just helps me look at it from a monthly view. It just helps me understand it a little more. I think this calendar was maybe like $15, probably cheaper honestly, from Target, and it helps me just see what I have coming up within the next weeks and what not. So that is also what I do to help me stay on track with school, help me plan, all of that ish. Yeah, so that's kind of how I plan for school. You know, I just color coordinating, it just really saves lives, or at least mine. And then I just, you know, write out my to-dos, my goals, whatever, for each week. So yeah, if you guys want to see another plan with me video, but more like how I plan my goals for each month, like school goals and personal goals, I've been like starting to do that. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of these kind of plan with me videos. This was like kind of my first one, might be a little rough. I tried. I'm trying. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.